Okay, on this episode of DIY Willy, I want to take a look at a way to attach the pull start back to the cooling tin on the lawnmower. Originally it was riveted on, and I drilled out the rivets to remove it when I redid the pull cord. However, I want it to be able to be more removable, more accessible, easier to take off with regular screws. So I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up one of their Rivnut kits. Let's take a look at that. So this is the kit. It's a threaded insert rivet kit, item 1210, 45 piece. And looks pretty good. You know, we'll see how it works. I've been wanting one of these for a while. It has the smaller 632 10 each inserts. It has 822 inserts, 10 each again, 1024. And this one is the larger quarter 20 size inserts. And each one comes with its own adapter to go into the gun and apply it. So I want to rivet it into here, into this, so that I could screw in and make this more removable. So let's take a look at doing that. Now I've chose the smaller, let's see what size it is, the smaller 822 size. I've got the stainless steel screws that go in it. This is the little insert that it has. You just screw it on the gun like that and drill a hole into the engine, and it just squeezes its way in. So let's set you up and I'll do that. Okay, so I've already got my hole drilled here. I tried this one, it worked really well here. So we'll put this one in, unlock the tool, screw it on, fit it into the hole. Just like a regular rivet, we'll just give it some squeezes. And it should pull right in. It's making a bozo out of me. Let me see what happened here. Just gradually working it down. I didn't have it set right in there, because it worked perfectly here. There we go. That was the last little bit it needed. Let's take a look at that. Nice. Looks good. I'll show you what I'm doing with that. But while I was there, I also picked up these screws. They're stainless steel machine screws. They fit perfectly in the sizes that we've chosen. We got the 832 size. We'll show this on. Set in. Look at that. That is gonna be perfect. That is gonna be perfect. Look at that. I really like that. Let's put the rest of them in. See if we get a little faster on the other two. We'll load up the gun with another Rivnut. I may have to just oval out the holes a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the holes just a little bit. I mean, it pulls in really fast. When the tool's set up right, it pulls in super fast. We'll install the next one. Perfect. Look at that. Nice and solid. Now we'll put the pull star back on. I'm sure the holes are going to have to be lined up a little bit. I have some play in the holes. Again, these are 832 screws. I think I said 822 earlier. No, it's 832. And they're stainless. It came in a packet of like $3 at Harbor Freight. I mean, it's gonna work perfectly for what I was hoping. I'll just run them down right now. Cinch them up. Look at this. This should be every bit of as solid as an aluminum rivet that was in there before. Oh man, look at that. Cinch them up. Don't want to put too much torque. They are just aluminum inserts. Don't want to tear out the threads. There. Look at that. Okay, so that was installing the rib nuts with the tool from Harbor Freight onto the cooling tins of the lawnmower. We bolted down the pull start again. Should be solid to go. We'll take another look at it real fast before we go. Again, this was 832 rib nuts installed with the Harbor Freight rib nut tool. Use Harbor Freight stainless steel hardware. 832. Works solid. Nice. Can't wait to try it start. So that went well. It did exactly as I was hoping it to do. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.